Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off flashlight notifications for incoming calls in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. Suppose when you receive incoming call, if screen is flashing and camera is also flashing, if you don't like this, if you would like to turn off this flashlight notifications, you can do it. Okay, what you have to do is just go to settings of our phone first, then go to accessibility, and go to advanced settings and go to flash notification and turn off the button against camera flash notification and screen flash notification and go to home screen. Now if you hereafter get incoming call, you will not get flashlight in the back side as well as in the screen flash. Okay, screen is not flashing now. Also in the back side, see here, there's no flashlight. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off flashlight notifications for incoming calls in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.